Without clear goals, players won't know what to do in your game, and as a result, won't feel engaged. In this Unite 2016 talk, Curtis Murphy talks about 3 kinds of goals. First, explicit goals. Goals communicated to the player by the game itself. For example, new objective, get from point A to point B. Second, implicit goals. Goals that are implied by the game, but not communicated directly. For example, don't die, eliminate the enemy, solve the puzzle. Third, player-driven goals. These are the most interesting kind of goals. It's the player who sets a goal and gets engaged in achieving it. For example, in Minecraft, you're not given a specific objective, yet you quickly find yourself working on a large project. The project invented by you. This kind of goal is the most effective in keeping the player engaged. And that's today's tip. Thanks for watching. Bye.